What's up, YouTube? Coming to you guys back with another video. Today, what I want to do is kind of just go over some of my experiences as far as ownership of owning the J's Racing exhaust for the Civic Type R FK8 along with the RV6 front pipe. But before we get started with that, I just want to thank everybody again for the support. Thank you guys for all the subs. Really appreciate it. If you haven't had a chance, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But besides that, I want to go ahead and get in the car. Let's go for a ride, see how it sounds in the cabin. So definitely give you guys some clips of what it sounds like in the cabin. I'll do a couple outside the car clips as well, but I know most of you have seen those videos and you definitely are interested in what it's like on a day-to-day basis or driving with this exhaust on a daily basis. So let me guys show you. Hopefully the camera is able to pick up some of the drone. There is drone. I'm not gonna try to hide that. But to me, it's not bad at all. I want my exhaust to be loud enough to where I hear it. And as long as the drone is not overly obnoxious, I'm fine with that. So with that being said, let's hop in the car. hopefully you were able to get some takeaways from those sound clips. Definitely wanted to get some in-cabin sound so you guys can really hear, hopefully the camera was able to pick up, like I said. You guys can kind of hear what it's like to have it or daily drive, stoplight to stoplight, a little bit of cruising, and also getting on the accelerator so you guys can really hear what it sounds like inside the car. I'll also throw in an outside the clip soundbite of me getting on it, just in case you guys haven't seen that. I've also got a couple videos on that as well, so be sure to check that out if you haven't. But yeah, day to day, I really like this exhaust. I did have the Miltech part resonated exhaust before this system. Just wasn't loud enough for me as far as going from the aftermarket system. Definitely want to be able to hear my exhaust, and the J system definitely gives me that ability. So very happy with the tone, with the loudness. Yes, it's louder, a lot louder than stock. If you're expecting to get a stock light sound, definitely this is not the exhaust for you. Something more like the Miltech or maybe Remus might suit you better. Just more resonators, that eliminates some of the booming, the drone, and some of the loudness of the sound. But yeah, and there's also a second J system that has resonators that have been added, so it kind of tones it down. This is more like a race system, so they do have a street version of this as well, where it is not as loud or maybe as droney. But like I said, the drone doesn't really bother me, but yes, it's definitely there. We'll be going with a catted downpipe in the future, so I'll document and see, what kind of sound does that add? Does it add more drone? Does it add more booming? Does it add more loudness? Does it give it a better tone? Definitely we'll document that and bring you guys along for the ride for that. So that does it for this video. May have an unboxing later this week, so stay tuned for that. Once again, I really appreciate the support, everyone. If you guys are enjoying this content, please subscribe, as well as like the video if you enjoyed the video as well. Definitely, like I said, always more content is definitely on the way. And with that, I'm out.